Well, looks like I may have solved the low audio issue. This wire here, which is located on the bottom of the board, as you can see, is disconnected now. But it was sitting on one of the legs of the fine and coarse clarifier control right here. The inside leg was just touching. And I just turned up the volume here, and I'll try to demonstrate where it was. And it was just touching, like it was broke off, if you can see that. That was causing the low audio. Now where that wire is supposed to go, I have no idea. I'm in way over my head. And but anyway, I'm going to try to proceed slowly and methodically to try to get things aligned with the radio, as you've seen in the previous video. But I don't think I'm going to have much luck. But I do appreciate all the help that I've been getting online and through here on YouTube. So thanks everyone for your help, and wish me luck.